stroke, and then you bring up another word. I'm sure you can fill it in.
Yes, I'm sure I can think of something childish to bring mirth and make us look simple and stupid, but I can't do it in the dictionary. We're getting down to the etymology and pronunciation here on tonight's BlueCom program of The Three, 512, 504, and 502.
Well, you open up cough in one tab, and you open up stroke or in the other tab.
You hear this, Joe? So, did you hear that?
I am crescendoing in mirth.
Purgative. Purgative. Purging or tending to purge. Speaking of throwing up and apoplexy and the other word that we said.
Pleurisy?
Yeah, pleurisy, that was it. And portative. 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 Who makes this crap up and expects people to use it?
Well, see, that's why people like me in the world exist. We use all of these stupidly unnecessary words.
And all you do is piss off people like J.K. You know what it does? All it does is to serve to divide people into parts. Partitive. Like the word partitive, to serve to divide into parts.